Introduction to Slack bots and APIs.
Slack bots can automate repetitive tasks, send alerts, and make your workflow more efficient. By connecting a custom bot through Slack's API, you can tailor actions to match your team's needs. This guide covers the basics of setting up a Slack bot, registering it with the API, and integrating it into your daily tools.
Getting started, create a Slack app.
To begin, visit Slack's API site and create a new Slack app. Choose the workspace where your bot will operate. This app will act as the identity for your bot, allowing it to connect to Slack and interact with conversations, channels, and users.
Generating and using OAuth tokens.
After setting up your Slack app, you'll need to add permissions for the bot. Assign the scopes your bot requires, such as reading messages or posting updates. Once done, install the app to your workspace and obtain the OAuth token, which the bot will use to authenticate API requests.
Connecting your bot, sending and receiving messages.
With your token ready, you can use Slack's web API to send messages, schedule notifications, or listen for events. For two-way communication, set up event subscriptions so your bot is notified when something happens, such as receiving a mention or command.
Integrating with your workflow.
Connect your bot to external services such as project management tools or calendars. By using APIs, your Slack bot can automate routine processes, fetch data, and streamline communication. With some creativity and simple coding, you can build a custom workflow tuned to your team's needs.